So, one of the most important improvement of the quality or of output quality of this machinery is to install a Hollander for the second end of this prepušťací ventil. It's what is it? Overpressure valve. Because there is going down the plastic hose, as you could see by the moment, because the hose is contaminated. I need to put on my gloves. I hope that it will be readable. I mean the speech which is here, but maybe I would comment it at home if I have time. You could see currently the situation is like this, that we are using such a double zip tie, okay, a little bit, to fix the hose nearby this secondary input. It's input, output. It's input basically, but maybe it's output. Sorry for that. But it is secondary circuit, one of the tube coming into exchanger and coming out. And problem is that here is the switch, overflooding or flooding switch, which is very fragile and can be very easily blocked by unpredictably curving of the hose. And my suggestion is, as this is installed on a Hollander, you could install the same Hollander somewhere here in that position. A really simple plastic Hollander which costs maybe 50 cents, but when you buy a lot of them you can get a price maybe 20 cents per piece, and you will be installed the Hollander for dimension of this hose. And basically my installation will be just cut off the hose a little bit because it's too long, and just put the hose into the Hollander, and then there is no chance to be the hose blocking the availability of sorry for my camera, but it's very of this flooding switch, because otherwise I have to be very careful in fixing the hose to be fixed in a such position that the flooding switch will stay available or free of moving. This is my suggestion, because this zip tie, or using this zip tie, is not very professional, but I need you see it, because we are just using zip tie. Can be also used for better fixing, let's say, but very important is to indexing the other end of the hose in certain position, not to be like floating inside the let's say this wasting or flooding or leakage. It's basically leakage bank or something like this, and the hose can be moving whenever, and if it moves somehow like this way, yes, then you see that the sensor is blocking. The freedom of movement of the sensor is totally definitely blocking, and then you cannot guarantee that sensor, or I can guarantee you that sensor will not react if there is flooding. Maybe other sensor, like in the room, ambient sensor, can say, okay, here is 20 hectoliters of water everywhere in the pit, in the technological room, and please rise up the alarm. So this is my suggestion. Just put really simple and very cheap Hollander here, and you can improve dramatically the quality of this and reliability also, of course, of this installation. Okay. So here is the final installation or current installation, like it is designed. That I used a tip binder, binder tie to let's go around to have a better vicinity. Yes, you could see that I try to stretch a little bit here the hose to be pushing actively on the bottom and to be keeping the sensor availability. However, there is no guarantee that somebody can just do something like a little rearranging of the hose, indexing, and then all stretching can approach to the sensor, and sensor can be, and here is also some problem. I see that it's not tied off. Okay, that's another issue. Okay, but okay. I don't know why it's not tied off. This is also problematic, that there is just U-shape probably, I guess, and therefore it's very slippery, or it has tendency to slip out from this U-shape. So this is generally, here is not good design at all. I suggestion, because here is the deepness is not the same. Here is more shallow than here. Here is deeper. The overlapping of the top fin. So I suggest to make two holes, one here, and this one will be used for the sensor, and this one will be used because hose is more convenient to be installed on this position, and the hose will be installed in this position. And then if two Hollanders, one for sensor, one for hose, are installed here, I think that it would be much more professional than currently it is. Yes, because now it is like be done by donkey. Okay, thank you very much for understanding, and it depends, of course, on yourself. Okay, this is just some visual scratch. It's fully functional. Okay, so thank you very much.